If your faucet is covered in hard water stains and calcium buildup, and no matter what you try, it keeps coming back after just a few days, this video is for you. Maybe you've already tested a bunch of cleaning hacks, but nothing seems to work long-term. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple solution that actually removes calcium buildup fast and keeps your faucet looking clean with just one treatment a week. This is a professional calcium remover, a cleaner specially formulated to break down hard water stains and mineral deposits safely and effectively. Let me show you how it works. First, I wet the cloth slightly. Then I spray the solution directly onto the faucet. As soon as the cleaner touches the surface, you can already see the calcium stains starting to dissolve. With just a light wipe, the white buildup disappears almost instantly. All those yellow stains and hard watermarks around the faucet are gone, and the shine comes right back. This cleaner works incredibly fast. Just spray it on, scrub lightly, and the calcium deposits, soap scum, and dirt wipe away in seconds. You can even use it on bathroom walls, tiles, sinks, and other surfaces with heavy mineral buildup. Watch how easily these calcium stains on the wall disappear with almost no effort. It also works great for deep cleaning bathroom sinks and tubs, making bathroom cleaning much easier and less time-consuming. A lot of people ask if this cleaner has a strong smell. Surprisingly, it's almost odor-free. It's safe for ceramic surfaces, safe for chrome fixtures, and it won't damage the finish or cause rust. You can use it on bathroom tiles, faucets, shower walls, cups, and almost any surface affected by hard water stains or white calcium buildup. If you want to check out this product, I've added the link in the video description below. Just click the link to learn more about it. I've personally tested many different calcium removers, but this one stands out because it works faster and cleans better than most products I've tried. This is the same cleaner I use professionally for home cleaning jobs, and right now, it's one of the most popular products for removing hard water stains and calcium buildup.